Okay po.
Good morning everyone. Today is June 10, 2024 and we will be conducting a preview conference for one projects which is 24AH0155. So before we start, let us have a prayer to be led by
Elder Tolentino member.
Shari Award na siya member.
Lenda Training Joe member. Dani Manalo din at Jenny Lynn Andres din at
Shari Marie Pangilio Revolution. Mr. Hala, Big Box Secretariat.
Isa din si Box Secretariat member.
Maruhan dahan box set member.
about our representative from contractors.
Jennifer and
Thank you. So the project is 24AH0155. Repair maintenance of Calabo Government 1, located in Romblon. With the approved budget for the contract of 1,786,456.52 with a contract duration of 45 calendar days. Prospective bidders should be registered in a classified with the Philippine Contractors Accredited Board with a license category of C&D, size range small b, respectively for the appropriate license classification. Description of eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in the Annex 2.1.1b, Section 2 and 3 of the bidding documents. Contractors, applicants who wish to participate in the bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works application or CWA and the DPWH procurement service. Fifth floor DPWH building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila. While those already enrolled shall keep the records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH contractor profile eligibility process and subject to further post-qualification information. Post-qualification. Bidding will be conducted through opening competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass and fail criterion as specified in the 2016 revised implementing rules and regulation IRR of the Republic Act 9184, otherwise known as Government Procurement Reform Act. The contractor shall be awarded the lowest calculated responsive bidders who was determined as such during post-qualification. Interested bidders may obtain information from the Department of Public Works and Highways, Romblon District Engineering Office of Juman, and inspect the bidding documents at the back secretariat. And the third floor office located in the third floor procurement office here in Juman during weekdays 8 AM and 5 PM. The complete set of bidding documents will be required by interested bidders from May 31 to June 19, 2024. Bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPPB in the amount of 5 million for 24